So how does the Internet of Things even work? Well, let's find out. This is Jared's Corner, and I'm Jared. So the Internet of Things, how does that work? How does the Internet of Things work? Well, it works like a lot of non-things. The Internet of People. So when you go on your phone and you type out a message on Facebook and it sends it, what's happening behind the scenes is you're sending information over the internet, right? And that information is typically made up of the data you send, which is if you're sending the message, "Hey Mark, stop letting your dog come onto my lawn and relieve itself." That information gets sent, as does metadata. Lots and lots of metadata gets sent along with the information that you intend to send. So when you write a message on Facebook, it sends, "Hey Mark, stop letting your dog come onto my lawn and relieve itself," but it also sends what time it's been sent, who sent it, and other pieces of information that you never see. So already there we have a premise of how the Internet of Things work. It sends lots of information that you don't see over the internet. And what's sending that information are machines. So rather than you typing, "Hey Mark," what could happen is you could have a video feed of your lawn that recognizes Mark's face when he comes onto the lawn with his dog and sends a message to his Facebook that says, "Mark, don't let your dog relieve itself on your lawn," sent by bot, by your little, let's just imagine the hardware is like this blob that sends it. And that's cool. But okay, let's say that that's only half the story because you have a machine that's ultimately talking to a human. What we would prefer to completely close that loop is to have a machine talking to another machine. So let's say you want to leave the gate to your yard open all the time because you don't want to fumble with the gate, but you want to make it close whenever Mark walks in on the left or right on the sidewalk. So imagine a video feed looking at your lawn, and it can recognize your face and it can recognize Mark's face. So, and I feel bad if your name's Mark, but come on, stop letting your dog relieve itself on this poor person's lawn that I'm imagining in this story. So anyway, you take a video feed of this lawn and with the sidewalk, and you have a gate, and the gate's on a motor, and the motor is attached to a computer that's attached to some electrical stuff and the internet through Wi-Fi or Ethernet or whatever people use to connect to the internet. And it recognizes your face and swings open the gate, and you walk in. Everybody's happy. It recognizes Mark's face, and if the gate's open, that video camera up here sends that information across the internet to your motor down here and closes the gate. And there's tons of ways to do that. How does that happen? But essentially that's how the Internet of Things works. And it could send it to the gate that's right there or 1,000 or even 5,000 miles away. So that's the Internet of Things and how it works. If you're interested in videos like this, just subscribe. And if you are named Mark, don't leave a comment. If you are someone named something else and you've had Mark have his dog relieve himself on your lawn, please leave something in the comments. Thanks, and this has been Jared's Corner.